Since 2018, tens of thousands of people have applied for their CSCS Green Card after passing our Safe2Site online course. We have spoken to thousands of people just like you, confused by the process and worried about getting ripped off. Let me talk you through the basics. There are two stages to getting a CSCS Green Card. You need to complete the relevant training. We offer Safe2Site online. The other part is the CITB Health, Safety and Environment test for operatives. You take that at your local CITB test centre. It's usually the same place you would take a driving theory test. You can book it online and you should pay no more than £22.50. Once both parts are completed, you order your green card from CSCS Online for £36. You upload your Safe2Site certificate and enter your CITB reference number. Then CSCS send out your card in the post. Safe2Site is approved by both CITB and CSCS as a course needed for the Green Card. It is an equivalent to the Level 1 Health and Safety in a Construction Environment qualification, and it is valid for 5 years. Over 97% of Safe2Site candidates have passed first time. We can't guarantee that you will pass, but we do offer a great course. You do some learning and then you do a practice test. This prepares you really well for your final test, when you have 30 minutes to answer 30 multiple choice questions. You will get instant access to your online course, and it takes about 3 hours to complete the learning. But you don't have to do it all in one go. Once your modules are done, you can take the final test immediately. That's anytime, 24/7. We promise to validate your test and provide your certificate within 24 hours. Although 8 out of 10 customers get their certificate within 4 hours. So how quickly? You can start today and be certified by tomorrow. You can complete your course and test on any device that has a stable internet connection, including a smartphone or tablet, computer, laptop or Chromebook with a webcam. You will also need a quiet space to take your final test and valid photo ID. Our customers keep rating us 5 stars on Trustpilot and Google reviews. This is because we pride ourselves in providing excellent customer service and because we care. If you need a CSCS Green Card, then choose Safe2Site. It's the most trusted, flexible and accessible course. Safe2Site gets you certified on any device within 24 hours. No classroom and no booking required. It's really just very easy. Go to cosac.co.uk to check out our offers and buy Safe2Site.